Hello everybody, today we make tiella. For the ingredient we got mussels, potato, rice, tomato, garlic, onion, parsley, and cheese. And we gotta use oil. Now, first thing you gotta clean it up really good the mussels. Okay, you gotta scrape, you gotta do everything. And you gotta wash really good. One time you wash, like I did, I open up. When you open, make sure do not throw away the water for the mussels. And I put it right over here on this bowl over here. And the water, make sure the strain, like this, got a knot inside. Nice, clean, it gotta be. Okay, now we start with the recipe. Yeah, we need big pots like this. But since you don't got too many people, you can use smaller pots. It's to you how many people you got. And we start, I want to slice a couple of slices of the onion. And we do like this, a little bit more. Okay. And the onion is enough for the barrel. And we put it right over here, like this. And I got 2 plum tomato, and the plum tomato you slice like that. After you chop, okay, I want more. And now this, it go on a barrel of the pots, like that. And on top of this, we gotta use a little parsley. And we gotta use oil. It's enough. Okay, now I got the raw potato. I clean up, I wash, and now we slice with this one over here. All right. Now the potato, you gotta go on this pot, and you gotta make sure to put it just like that. One on top of the other, all the way around and in the middle. The pots. Everything you gotta be covered with the potato. And now we put onion all over the place like this. Okay, I got this garlic. I slice a little thin of the garlic and we put like that every place. I got a tomato and we put little tomato. And we spread all over the place like that. Good. And now we got a cheese. This is a grana padano. And you put cheese all over. The cheese is really good for this dish. Per questa tiella. Okay, now we got a parsley. Okay, give a nice color of the parsley. This parsley is from my garden. A black pepper. All right, and now we need oil. Okay, good. Okay, now we gotta do not lay with the potato, like I did the first one. And we start. Okay, now we put onion, that lay, like this. And we use garlic. The mussels, he like a lot of garlic. The garlic is really good for mussels. Now we gotta use little tomato. All right. Now we put parsley. And we gotta use cheese. We put a little oil, black pepper. Okay, now we gotta put the mussel. And the mussel, you gotta go every place nice. Okay, you need a lot of this. You gotta cover all the parts. Okay, now it's the time of the rice. This is arboreal rice. Make sure I wash all the time. And this now you gotta go right on the top over here. And make sure to go all over the place like this. Oh, look how beautiful. And now I got a more garlic can go on top of the rice and mussels. I got a little onion left over. And I got a little tomato. And we need parsley. Now we use cheese. Most you want to eat the cheese, you like cheese. It's not easy to be cheesy. But I like cheesy. With a nice glass of wine and to salute the chin-chin, everybody. Black pepper. Look, you can see the black pepper on top of the cheese. And now, oil. Now, this is the water. I said, do not throw away. Because this you gotta go right inside. And you can pour all over the place like that. All right, now we gotta do the last lay with the potato. You gotta cover everything now. And we start to cover one by one, like this. Okay. And now this is the last lay. And I need black pepper, cheese, oil. Now this I boil the water with the salt. Now this you gotta go on the pots, but not all the way up. It gotta be below the potato, the last lay. And we start to pour the water all the way around. You see this water, it's for the rice. Okay, the rice you gotta cook and the potato you gotta cook. You see, make sure, like I said, do not go. I think it's enough. It's enough for water. Now everybody see I pour the water and I miss the cheese. That's no problem. We pour more cheese all the way around. And we pour like that. And we gotta cover it again the potato. Okay, now this everything done. I got the oven, it's 400 degrees. And you gotta cook for 1 hour. Now we cover. And we put in the oven. Okay. Good. Okay, it's 1 hour and the tiella is ready to eat now. Take it out. Listen to the noise he makes. All right. Look how beautiful. Really nice. Okay, now it's the time of the test. My tiella. And now, let's cut a little piece for me. And look at this. Oh. Look how beautiful. Now a little parsley on the top. Like this. And look at the mussels. Oh, it's so hot, boy. Let me taste that. The rice, it's cooked beautiful. And the mussel, boy, look at this. The mussel, you got the rice on that. And look at the potato, nice. Everything it melt in your mouth. If it melt in your mouth, the wash done, you need this nice glass of wine. And I want to say to everybody, make this tiella dish, it's really good. Chin chin e salute. We see you next time. Chin chin, salute. Thank you.